Thank you for your interest in the Powerful Imperfect Parent Cards. I just wanted to tell you a few things about how to use them. They are there as a guide to help you incorporate some skill development into your busy daily lives to help your kids be more employable. And the truth is, the skills that are needed to be more employable are also the skills that lead to a more fulfilling, empowered life. Things like learning about gratitude, respecting our magnificent bodies, not just how we look physically, but really thinking about how magnificent our bodies are can lead to better choices, which lead to better health, which is always great as an employee. There are other things like helping your child find their passion, skills that you can do together as a family. So just remember, these cards are just a guide. So use them, modify them how you need to have it work for your children. And you can pick one a week and do something different every week. There are some cards like about gratitude, creating a gratitude journal that hopefully you'll continue doing past the week. So if you have questions or anything, you can go to my website, lindadrake.com, and my name is Linda, Lynda, Drake.com. And you can contact me if you have any questions or comments. I would love to hear them. So I hope you use them well. I hope your children, all of you, love doing them and have fun together. Thank you.